Everything about Beijing is big and busy. It's a bustling metropolis that covers 16 districts over almost 17,000 square kilometers. As the country's capital, Beijing is China's political and cultural center. You can find the country's government buildings, its biggest businesses, and many of its most famous landmarks here. And everywhere you look, there are people. Beijing has got a population of over 21 million people. Every day they cross the city to get home, get to work, or get to school. A city this busy needs an efficient transport network. But Beijing is an ancient city with very narrow streets, too narrow for today's traffic. Many people choose to cycle around the city. But to get somewhere faster, they can use the Beijing Subway. This fast rail network is the oldest metro system in China. It started in 1969 with one line that was 24 kilometers long. Today, it has 17 lines with almost 465 kilometers of track. Each week, around 10 million people use the subway. It is one of the busiest and most crowded metro systems in the world. The population of Beijing is growing all the time. Experts predict it will continue to grow. So the Chinese government are going to expand the railway. But this won't be easy and will take a lot of work. The plan is to have 30 lines with 450 stations and over 1,000 kilometers of track. Beijing isn't the only city in China expanding its metro system. All over the country, cities are building or improving their subways. By 2050, the country will account for almost half of the world's metro lines. But Beijing will still be one of the busiest and the biggest in the country.